Hi guys, it's Daniel from Ask the Kid, and today we're going to be doing a science experiment with egg and vinegar. So first, you need to take the vinegar.
Then start with the egg.
Okay, let's start with the egg first. So you take the egg and carefully put it inside. You see? Then you take the vinegar. Just to fully cover the egg. So it should be. Say okay, and it's okay.
Sharp.
Okay. So guys, for it to work, we will need to wait for 24 hours. 24 hours, but wait, we need a little more vinegar for the full egg to be covered.
It's okay.
The top.
It's okay.
Okay guys, so we need to wait 24 hours for this to work. I'm going to show you part 2 in the next video, guys. Peace.
Tomorrow for sure. 24 hours later.
Okay, hi guys. Now we'll continue off part 2 by taking egg and vinegar. And these are the results. The egg that I did yesterday. You see, it's super bouncy. You can see the yolk. Look closely, you can see it. This whole egg is transparent. So guys, this is the egg, and my brother spoiled the first egg.
Yes!
My brother spoiled the first egg, which he had to clean. So this is the results. Guys, what must I do? Must I fry it? Or must I keep it for my collection? Put your answer in the comment section. So today we put egg and vinegar. Bye guys, see you in the next video. Peace.